files and folders in computers, in operating systems. All information that we have are stored in our computing device in the form of files. For example, if you have a file, you're going to an interview, what do? You will have a folder. Inside this, you will put your 10th grade, 12th grade, your some competition you have won, all the certificates you will keep inside them in a folder. And these different 10, 12, all these grade passing is your files. Now when you'll go to interview, you'll open this folder and you'll show whatever they want. That is, every file in a computer also, they have a file name and they have a file extension. File name can be anything, but file name extension signifies something, file type. For example, we have a name Ajay Bhandari. Now in the same class or in the same office, we have Ajay Chauhan also. And you say Ajay, who is going to stand up? Who is going to come to you? It will be a confrontation. Basically, Ajay Bhandari will identify the actual person. Ajay Chauhan will be other person. Similarly, file name is the name and extension is the type with separated by a dot or a period. For example, you just want to write something. So you need just a text file. So every software deals with different kind of files. A window media player which is playing the media, audio or video file will not be able to open a text file. So this ajay.txt will only contain the text content. A doc file will contain text content along with some image and all those added things. .jpg will only have image. It cannot have say a video. For that you have to go to MPEG. MP3 will only have sound. So for example, you can make a folder of 80s song, 90s song, and this MP3 file will be opened only in Winamp, only in VLC player, only in some audio video player. So this is how a folder will be seen normally, and there can be number of multiple files you can keep with certain partition. So hundreds of folder you can make, hundreds of file you can keep. The limitation is only the size of your drive, right? Now what comes after dot will tell you what kind of file it is. For example, an image file, it can have an extension of PNG, it can have an extension of JPG. They all have different, they are image files, but JPG is a compressed format, GIF, graphical interchange format, MOV is a video file. So by extension, we can find out what kind of file it is, and this by extension, the application or the operating system will know with which software, with which app it has to open. For example, a .php file, okay, personal home page. So this is related to the browser, or you can say the web pages. It's a server side script. So there are different file extension that will tell you what you can write, what the content can be, and what application or what work it does, and which application or which software is able to handle it. This all creating a file. So first you have to, either you can create a folder, then you can create a file, or vice versa. Just take an example that we have a new student which is Neha, and she has just joined a class. Now teacher always create or keeps the information of every candidate of the class. So now the teacher wants to keep the information of Neha also. So now what she will do, teacher, she'll open a text editor, open a blank document, open Notepad, type the content, save it for further use, further accessing. So you can use it. If this is Ubuntu, you can open a text editor, give the name, type the content, save it. This is Ubuntu. Though I don't have Ubuntu, I will show it in the say Microsoft Windows. Similarly, creating a folder. Folder is nothing but a name or a icon which will contain the files inside it. By itself, folder has no meaning until you have file inside it. So you can open a folder, it will ask you for a name, and then this folder can be used to keep file. Folder, new folder, always new folder will come, the name will be new folder. Now you can change the name. Now you will try to keep, or you will arrange these folders, and with the name you will be able to access, okay, this is my video folder, this is my document folder, this is my say MTech or BTech folder. So the Ubuntu, Linux or Windows, the method is absolutely same, no change or all, a little bit of change. So now I'm going to show you the hands-on or the example. This is a location where I want to create a folder, create a file. So this is a new folder icon. You can either click it or even you can do the right click. You are creating or I am creating a new folder. Always the name will be new folder by default. Now I want to change the name. I want to keep all the documents inside this folder. So I have named it as documents. Now I can wait one more, just click it. You will see new folder. Now I want all the images to be kept in this folder. So first folder will contain all the documents. Second folder will contain all the images. Now I just double clicked it. Now I have come inside this. Again I can double click it. I came inside but I didn't find any file because I haven't made it. Now I'll make a new file because it is a document. Let me make a document. Because I have Microsoft Word, so that's why I am making a new file. Let me name it as 1. So this is a Word document. So when I will double click it, because it has an extension of either .doc or .docx, it will by itself automatically will be opened in Microsoft Windows. That is one of the application of the Microsoft Office suite. It will directly open. Now you can just copy it and paste it. If I go to the properties, I can show you that this is .docx. If you see the type of file, this is .docx. So I can make a new file or even I can copy. I am clicking it, Control C I am doing, Control and C I am pressing together and Control V I am doing. So it is pasted with a copy word attached to it. Now I am renaming it to 2. So now I don't want this Word document, I want a plain text. So I am making a plain text. This is a new text document. I right clicked it because I have it. This application software automatically I made a file. So when I open it, it will automatically be open in a text editor, which is Notepad because I made it as a Notepad file. So the extension is simply .txt here, not docx or doc. I can also right click and open it in my choice because I have Notepad++. I right clicked and purposefully opened in Notepad++. Otherwise it would open in Notepad. So this is also my choice. So now we have made a folder and 3 files I showed you. Now let us go to another folder image. Now let us make a file here. This where is my new bitmap image. This has an extension of .bmp, that is bitmap image. I can have a file which can have a JPG extension. It can be GIF, it can be PNG. So there are so many. When I double clicked it, because the default application to open is this, it opened it. Now I'll just open this with say some paint. I have so many to open. I chose paint. Now I'll try to do something. Let me make an ellipse. Now I'm saving it. So I made a file. This file has some content also inside it because I made an ellipse. Now I'm opening it. Now you'll see that ellipse. So this is how we make a file. Then I can change it. I can save it. I can also Control C, Control V. I can just press Control. And by pressing Control, I can just drag it and leave it. By pressing Control and dragging it and leaving it, it will copy also. Let us make it as some 2. I can also change this name of the file anytime. I can move it, I can delete it also. I am right clicking it and deleting it. So I deleted it also. Copied also. Control C, Control V. Control C is for copy, Control V is for pasting. Now I just have one file. I am just cutting it. And now I am pasting it in my document file. I don't want just a folder with one file. So let us take it because this was an image. Let us assume that this is an image of a document. So I Control X I did and now Control V I am doing. So now we have one folder. Image is free. I can delete it now. So this is deleting. Now I have a document folder. I have these document file, one text file and one image file. I told you, I explained it you on Windows. This is absolutely similar to in Ubuntu.